Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we thought we have a small little cleanup project we got to do. We thought we'd give you guys an update on the Dewalt pressure washer, the battery powered one. This thing is awesome. You can take it anywhere you're at. Dip the hose in a lake or stream, a bucket. Today we're going to use a bucket because we got no water out here at the back of the property. So we're going to be using that. Also, we got this new tool. Well, new to us. It's been out a little while. That is a game changer for us. Water down. Right here is this Ryobi spinning head scrubber. The head flexes all over the place, gives you different angles. It's got different detachable brushes. We have the smaller 6-inch one on here. We also have the 9-inch one. This is medium bristle. They have other ones and different scrubbers. Take the Ryobi 18-volt lithium batteries, which we have for our fan. We have a couple fans that take this, and we have a sprayer for the garden, so that works pretty good. And it has a telescoping handle. You can see that. So if you need a little extra length, you can see the head spin. Pretty nice there. I mean, it doesn't go too fast, so you're not going to hurt anything with it. The one thing I wish it had was a slightly longer handle. I mean, it works pretty good if you're just standing there, but if you got to reach a little bit, like we use it a lot to do the side of the RV, it would be nice to have this a little longer because our RV, trying to get way up there for that RV is a pain. But other than that, pretty good. And everything's waterproof to a point. The battery's in its own housing. It's got the handle to help you, which is movable along the shaft. So we're going to be using this today too. So we just thought we'd give you, show you guys this one, because we use it, like I said, on the RV. We use it on the RV roof. We use it on the ATV. We use it on the trailer. We use it on everything. It just makes everything that much easier. Then of course, like we said, we'll give you the update. I just spilled water on it, but on the Dewalt sprayer, this is nice because you don't have to have that water hooked up to a water. You just you put your hose in a bucket, a stream or something, like I said, and then you can start spraying what you need. It don't have a lot of pressure like you would think. I mean, we did a video on it. If you want it, I'll leave a link to it down below. You guys can check that out. It also has the soap container here for, like, you know, if you want to foam. Not a lot, you know, it's not heavy suds. Obviously, you can imagine it's not a lot of pressure. But one trick to that is try to get warm water in there. It suds up a little better. Everything's still in here, our charger and everything, but we're going to get this hooked up. It's pretty easy to hook up. You just quick connect the hose on the bottom, and then you'll see that there. The quick connect is right here. You're just going to quick connect there. It has a filter built in. This you can unscrew. Your nozzles go on the top for here. And then to put your nozzle on, you just put it in there, and you're going to give it a twist. Well, my hands are wet. There we go. Give it a twist. That's on. Then, like I said, your hose, this end just quickly snaps onto your thing. You put the other end in a bucket, press the trigger, and you're priming. Same kind of housing, watertight proof housing for your battery right here. You can see that it holds the flex volt batteries too if you need them. So it's got a pretty big compartment in there. And then, of course, like I mentioned, the foam cannon type of thing. We don't find ourselves using this one too much, but there is a foam cannon with it. So we're going to get this hooked up real quick. I think it also comes, I mean, you got that tip there, but I think it has one of those. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, it has one of those, I call them Wizzy Wazzle nozzles, ones that kind of do a circle. It comes with one of those too. These work pretty nice. I use this on our Dewalt. We have a Dewalt gas-powered big one, pressure washer. That works really well. So we're going to get this one hooked into the bucket, get it primed. Then we'll get washing. We got an old cap over here we're trying to clean up. We're trying to put out there on the marketplace for a few bucks. But let's get this hooked up and get ready to go. All right, you guys should be able to see me here. I got just the other, you can see the bucket just there in the corner. I got the end of the hose in there with the filter. That ball you see on there is adjustable, so it'll allow you to hang out the hose. Then you just pull the trigger till it primes, because it's self-priming. It'll suck the water right through it. You can see it sucked the water right through, so we already have water. We're going to start getting loose on this. We're going to rinse this off really quick, and then we're going to use that green Ryobi scrubber to kind of scrub the top pretty good and get the windows. Just makes it that much easier. We'll do a little by hand, but that's what we're going to do. We'll leave you guys running so you guys can see it, and we'll fast forward through it for the video, but we're just going to clean this up real quick. So here we go. have it. That was a quick clean of this cap. It took less than 3/4 bucket of water, so you know, three and a half gallons of water. Like I said, this thing saves a bunch of water, but it gives you more pressure than you would normally just trying to not having any pressure at all. And it has the 3 different tips if you need different tips, plus that Wizzy Wazzle one. Well, at least that's what I call it. Like I said, it does have these filters built in on both ends, this end and that end that goes in the water. So if you are carrying this on your side-by-side or in the back of the truck and you're at a stream, you just pop that hose in there. The filter keep any big debris out of your sprayer. So that's still going good. We did a video on that probably 2 years ago at least, and been working great ever since. And this, like I said, has been our new tool, the Ryobi spinning brush. Bunch of different attachments. I love this thing. I find myself using this so much on so many things that I can't believe I didn't get one sooner. So I mean, this would be probably, because I like the Dewalt tools, this would be a Dewalt tool if they had one, but they don't. So unfortunately you have to go with, you know, the different brands if they got a tool you like, and can't complain. Plus Ryobi's a little cheaper and they hold up pretty good. Well, that was just a quick video for you guys, just to show you, give you an update on the Dewalt and show you the new Ryobi tool. They work awesome for us. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. We get to them. And also, if you guys are interested in these, we'll leave links to them down below. If they're on Amazon, they might be an affiliate link. Otherwise, we'll just leave a link to them. You guys can check them out. And we'll also leave a link to the video we did on the Dewalt sprayer. We did like a patio and stuff. You can see how that turned out. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and try something new.